Upgrading your home's windows doesn't have to break the bank, especially when you choose casement windows with cost-effective features and smart installation strategies. If you're a homeowner in Loves Park looking for affordable casement window replacement options, it's important to balance price with quality so you can enjoy improved comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal without overspending. Here's a comprehensive guide to choosing casement windows that fit your budget while delivering long-term value. Why choose casement windows in the first place? Casement windows are popular in Loves Park for good reasons. They open outward with a simple crank, allowing excellent ventilation, provide a tight seal that improves energy efficiency, offer clear, unobstructed views, work well in modern and traditional home designs with the right features. Even budget-friendly casement windows can provide many of these benefits. Vinyl frames. A cost-effective solution, the frame material has a big impact on price. Vinyl windows tend to be much more affordable than wood or metal-clad options, yet they still perform very well in Loves Park's climate. Benefits of vinyl frames. Lower cost compared to wood or fiberglass, excellent resistance to moisture, warping, and corrosion, minimal maintenance, no painting or staining, solid energy performance. For most Loves Park homes, vinyl casement windows offer the best balance of affordability and durability. Standard glass with energy-saving option. High-end windows come with premium glass packages, but you don't need the most expensive option to get real energy savings. Affordable choices to consider. Double-pane insulated glass, much better than single-pane and still budget-friendly. Low-E coatings reflect heat to help keep your home cool in summer and warm in winter. Argon gas fill, optional but affordable way to enhance insulation. Avoid cutting corners entirely on glass performance. Poor glazing adds to energy costs long-term, which outweighs short-term savings. Look for efficient standard sizes. Custom sizes can add significantly to labor and manufacturing costs. If your opening fits standard window dimensions, you'll find more affordable options available in stock or quick ship inventory. Measure your existing window openings and compare them to common sizes before ordering a custom unit. Choose smooth but basic hardware. While decorative or premium hardware can be beautiful, more affordable casement windows typically include functional, long-lasting hardware without costly upgrades. Features to look for. Sturdy crank mechanisms, durable locks and hinges, simple finishes that complement your home. Basic hardware is often just as reliable as premium hardware, especially when supported by proper installation. Consider window packages for whole home savings. Instead of replacing one window at a time, consider purchasing multiple units as a package deal. Many manufacturers and installers offer volume discounts when you replace all windows in a room or the entire house. Bundling windows often reduces per window cost, offers consistent performance throughout your home, simplifies installation logistics in Loves Park. This approach can also increase overall energy savings and comfort. Don't skip professional installation. It might seem counterintuitive, but professional installation helps save money in the long run. Incorrect installation can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and premature wear, costing you more in energy bills and repairs. Licensed installers ensure proper sealing and insulation around frames, level, square installation for smooth operation, correct flashing to prevent moisture damage. Even with affordable windows, expert installation ensures you get full performance and avoid avoidable issues. Seasonal promotions and AMP financing. Many window contractors offer seasonal promotions, rebates, and financing plans. Before committing, ask about factory rebates on energy-efficient windows, off-season discounts, 0% financing or payment plans, tax incentives for energy-efficient upgrades. These options make higher-performing casement windows more affordable without compromising quality. Affordable comfort in Loves Park. Affordable casement window replacement doesn't mean sacrificing performance. By choosing quality vinyl frames, energy-saving glass, standard sizes, and ensuring professional installation, Loves Park homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills, enhanced ventilation and comfort, better security and weather resistance, a refreshed home aesthetic. With the right approach, you can upgrade your windows while staying within budget and enjoy the long-term benefits for years to come.